Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Speak channel. I'm Jessica. Today we have a special episode.
Yes, and I'm Alex. I have a big problem. Can you help me?
Of course. What's wrong?
Okay, so tomorrow is a very important day for me.
Why? What's happening tomorrow?
I have my first job interview.
Wow, that's exciting. Which company?
It's a bank, a big international bank.
That sounds serious. Are you ready?
Well, I practiced all my answers. I know about the company, but
But what?
look at me. Look at my clothes.
Oh, you're wearing a t-shirt and jeans.
Exactly. I only have these kinds of clothes. Is that okay for an interview?
No. You can't go to a bank interview like that.
Really? Why not? These clothes are comfortable.
Comfortable? Yes, but not professional. Let me teach you something important.
Please, I need to learn.
Okay, there are two main types of clothes: casual and formal.
Casual and formal. Which one am I wearing now?
You're wearing casual clothes: t-shirt, jeans, sneakers, all casual.
And casual is bad?
Not bad. Casual is perfect for weekends, meeting friends, relaxing at home.
But not for interviews?
Definitely not for interviews. For interviews, you need formal clothes.
What are formal clothes?
Things like shirts with buttons, nice trousers, maybe a jacket, dress shoes.
That sounds expensive.
It can be, but it's an investment in your future.
Investment in my future. I like that. But where do I buy these formal clothes?
We're going shopping right now.
Now? But I don't know anything about shopping for formal clothes.
That's why I'm here. I'll teach you everything. First, let me ask, what's your budget?
Budget. Maybe around $200?
That's enough for a basic formal outfit. We can work with that.
Really? I thought I'd need thousands.
No, you don't need designer brands for your first interview. You just need to look clean and professional.
Clean and professional. Got it.
Before we go, let me teach you some important phrases for shopping.
Yes, please. I get so nervous in stores.
First phrase, I'm just browsing.
I'm just browsing. What does browsing mean?
It means looking around, not ready to buy yet. When staff asks, "Can I help you?" and you want to look alone, say, I'm just browsing.
I'm just browsing. That's useful.
Second phrase, I'm looking for.
I'm looking for. And then?
Then you say what you need. I'm looking for a formal shirt. I'm looking for dress shoes.
I'm looking for formal clothes for an interview.
Perfect. That tells them exactly what you need.
What else should I know?
Sizes. Do you know your size?
Medium?
Medium for shirts, but what about trousers? They use numbers like 32, 34.
I have no idea.
No problem. You can ask, can you help me find my size?
Can you help me find my size? They won't laugh at me?
Never. It's their job to help. Now let's go to the store.
Wow, this store is huge. So many clothes everywhere.
Don't feel overwhelmed. We have a plan. What do we need?
Formal clothes for my interview.
Right. Let's break it down. For a man's formal outfit, you need
Tell me.
1. A dress shirt. 2. Formal trousers. 3. A belt. 4. Dress shoes.
What about a jacket?
Good question. A jacket is great if you can afford it, but for your first interview, shirt and trousers are enough.
That's a relief. And a tie?
Depends on the company. Banks usually like ties. Tech companies, not so much.
It's a bank, so...
Then yes, let's get a tie, too. Look, here comes someone from the store. Then yes, let's get a tie, too. Look, here comes someone from the store.
I'm looking for...
Go on, you can do it.
I'm looking for formal clothes for a job interview.
Excellent. What kind of job?
At a bank.
Then you'll want something conservative. Navy blue or gray. What's your size?
I'm not sure. Can you help me find my size?
Of course. Let me get the measuring tape. See, that wasn't scary at all.
You're right. They're actually helpful.
Okay, let's talk about colors for formal wear.
I like bright colors. Red, orange, yellow.
Save those for your casual clothes. For interviews, you want neutral colors.
Neutral colors?
Colors that are safe and professional. Navy blue, gray, black, white.
That sounds boring.
Maybe, but you want them to remember your answers, not your bright orange shirt.
Good point. So navy blue is good.
Navy blue is perfect. It's professional, but not as serious as black.
What about this light blue shirt?
Excellent choice. Light blue or white shirts are classic for interviews.
And trousers?
Gray or navy blue trousers. They match with everything. Okay, take these to the fitting room.
Fitting room?
The changing room, where you try on clothes.
Oh, should I just go in?
First ask, where is the fitting room? Or, can I try these on?
Can I try these on?
Perfect. And take different sizes. Better to try more than come back.
Good idea.
How does it look?
I think it looks good, but I'm not sure.
Come out. Let me see.
Wow, I look so different.
You look professional. How does it feel?
The shirt feels good, but these trousers,
What's wrong with the trousers?
they're too tight around the waist.
Then try one size bigger. Comfort is important too.
Should the shirt be loose or tight?
Neither. It should fit well. Not too loose, not too tight.
How do I know if it fits well?
Can you move your arms comfortably? Can you button it without pulling?
Yes and yes.
Then it fits. We call this a good fit. While you're changing, let me teach you more clothing words.
Yes, I need vocabulary.
The neck part of the shirt is called the collar.
Collar. Like on a dog?
Same word, different thing. The arm parts are sleeves.
Sleeves. Long sleeves or short sleeves?
For formal, always long sleeves. You can roll them up if hot.
What about these things?
Cuffs. Those are cuffs. The ends of the sleeves.
And this?
Pocket. That's a pocket. Shirts can have one pocket or no pockets.
So many details.
Don't worry. The main thing is it looks clean and professional.
What about shoes? Can't I wear my sneakers?
Absolutely not. You need dress shoes.
Dress shoes?
Formal shoes. Usually leather with laces.
They look uncomfortable.
Some are, but modern dress shoes can be comfortable. Try different ones.
What color?
Black or brown. Black is more formal.
These black ones look nice.
Try them on. Walk around the store.
They're actually not bad.
See? And they make your whole outfit look complete.
I feel like a different person.
That's the power of clothes. They can change how you feel. Now for the tie. This is tricky.
Why tricky?
The tie should complement your shirt and suit, not fight with them.
Fight with them?
I mean, the colors should work together. Look nice together.
How do I know what works?
Simple rule. If your shirt has a pattern, choose a solid color tie.
And if my shirt is solid color?
Then you can choose a tie with a simple pattern.
This is complicated.
Start simple. Blue shirt, Try a navy or burgundy tie.
Burgundy?
Dark red. It's a classic professional color.
I don't know how to tie a tie.
YouTube is your friend. There are millions of tutorials.
Really?
Yes. Practice tonight before the interview.
Okay, I'm ready to buy. What do I say?
You can say, I'll take these, or I'd like to purchase these.
I'll take these. That's easier.
Did you find everything you need?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like to open a store credit card? You'll save 15% today.
What should I say?
You can say, no thank you, just these items, please.
No, thank you. Just these items, please.
Your total is $185.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Chip or tap?
What's the difference?
Chip means insert your card. Tap means touch it quickly.
Oh, I'll tap.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Always keep receipts in case you need to return something.
I can't believe I did it. I bought formal clothes.
How do you feel?
Excited, but nervous. What if I still look wrong?
You won't. You look professional now. But clothes are just part of it.
What else matters?
Good grooming, clean hair, trimmed nails, fresh breath.
I didn't think about nails.
Interviewers notice everything. Also, iron your clothes.
Iron?
Remove wrinkles. Wrinkled clothes look messy.
Even if they're new?
Even new clothes can have wrinkles from the store.
So much to remember.
Make a checklist. The night before, prepare everything.
Good idea. What time should I get dressed?
Give yourself extra time. Don't rush. If interview is at 10, be ready by 9.
In case something goes wrong?
Exactly. Maybe you spill coffee. Maybe the tie won't cooperate.
Don't jinx me.
Sorry, you'll be fine.
You know, I learned some new expressions today.
Really? Which ones?
Dress for success. Wear nice clothes to help you succeed.
Great expression. Another one is, clothes make the man.
What does that mean?
It means people judge you by how you dress.
That's not fair.
Maybe not, but it's reality. First impressions matter.
First impressions?
The first time someone sees you, you only get one chance.
No pressure.
Here's another one. Put your best foot forward.
Best foot?
It means show your best side. Make your best effort.
So tomorrow, I put my best foot forward in my new clothes.
Exactly. You're learning fast. Let's review what we learned today.
Yes, I need to remember everything.
Types of clothes.
Casual for every day. Formal for professional situations.
Good. Shopping phrases.
I'm just browsing when looking. I'm looking for when I need help.
Sizing.
Can you help me find my size? Do you have this in a larger size?
Trying on.
Can I try these on? Where is the fitting room?
Perfect. What about buying?
I'll take these. Can I pay by card?
Excellent. Colors for interviews.
Navy blue, gray, white, black. Keep it neutral.
And the complete outfit.
Dress shirt, formal trousers, belt, dress shoes, and tie.
You know what? You're going to do great tomorrow.
You think so? I'm so nervous.
Being nervous is normal. It shows you care.
But what if they ask hard questions?
You prepared for that, remember? And now you look the part too.
Look the part.
It means you look right for the role. You look like you belong there.
I never thought clothes could make such a difference.
They give you confidence. When you look good, you feel good.
And when you feel good?
You perform better. It's all connected.
That makes sense.
A few final tips for tomorrow.
Please, I need all the help.
Arrive 10 minutes early. Not too early, not late.
10 minutes. Got it.
Bring extra copies of your resume.
Even if I sent it already?
Yes, sometimes they forget to print it.
Good point.
Turn off your phone completely.
Not just silent?
No, even vibration is distracting.
Okay, phone off.
And smile. Be friendly but professional.
How do I be both?
Polite, positive, but not too casual. No jokes unless they joke first.
This is like learning a new language.
It kind of is. Professional language is different from casual language.
Can you give me examples?
Instead of yeah, say yes. Instead of thanks, say thank you.
Small changes, but important?
Very important. It shows respect and professionalism.
Is formal dressing the same everywhere?
Good question. No, it varies by culture and country.
Really?
In some countries, suits are required. In others, smart casual is okay.
Smart casual?
Between formal and casual, like nice pants with a polo shirt.
That sounds more comfortable.
It is, but banks are usually conservative everywhere.
Conservative means traditional?
Yes, they prefer classic formal styles.
Good thing we went shopping.
Absolutely. You're prepared now. Well, that's everything you need to know about dressing for interviews.
Thank you so much. I learned so much today.
What was the most useful thing you learned?
That looking professional isn't that hard or expensive.
Exactly. It's about making smart choices.
And knowing the right words to use when shopping.
Those phrases will help you anywhere you shop.
I feel much more confident now.
Good. Confidence is half the battle.
What's the other half?
Preparation. And you've done both now. So everyone, that was today's episode about shopping for interview clothes.
We covered casual versus formal clothes, shopping vocabulary, and interview dressing tips.
Remember these key phrases. I'm looking for. Can I try this on? I'll take these.
And remember, dress for the job you want.
If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to the Daily Speak.
And comment below. Tell us about your interview experiences.
Do you get nervous shopping for formal clothes?
What's the dress code in your country?
We love reading your comments from around the world.
Next episode, we'll talk about the actual interview. What to say and how to say it.
You won't want to miss it.
Thank you for watching The Daily Speak.
Remember, you can learn English and life skills at the same time.
See you next time.
Good luck with your interviews. Bye.